What are the 3 L's in estate planning? Oh my. Hey folks, Patrick Kelleher. Someone asked me recently, hey Patrick, what is step 3 all about in your 3-step treasure chest process? I created my trust in step 1. Step 2, I got all my treasures in there. We got our house in there. We got our non-real estate in there. And what is step 3 all about, folks? Well, we call it the 3 L's, folks. So pull up a chair and get your pen out. First L is changes in law. How often does Congress change a tax code? How often does Medicaid tweak the Medicaid rules and regulations? How much control do we have over changes in law? Yes, correct, none. Second L, folks, is changes in your life. This is changes in your life with your health, your finances, your relationships. How many of you have the same health, finances, and relationships 5 years ago as you do today, right? There will be changes in life. Third L, changes in learning in the industry. I always recommend to folks that attend our educational programs when we teach our workshops in the community. It's in your best interest to work with an experienced elder law attorney that focuses exclusively in the field of elder law, because elder law can be rather complex. There's actually 12 categories of law under the umbrella of elder law, from Medicaid to Medicare to Social Security law to veterans benefits, special needs planning, trust estates, wills, and so on. There might be a significant change in learning in the industry that your experienced elder law attorney can share that information with you to enhance your plan to slay that metaphorical 4-headed beast, probate court, tax man, financial creditors and predators, and of course that $15,000 per month nursing home. So folks, back to the 3 L's. After you get all your treasures in your treasure chest, step 2, you do not want to ignore your trust or your treasure chest, right? As you journey through life, you do not know when the shoe's going to drop, when you or your loved one are going to go up to your cloud, right? And I always say to our clients, the day, Bill and Mary, that you sign your trust is important, but what is truly the most important day that you need your trust to work? Yes, that's the day you're passing your treasure chest off to the people you love the most. And the tricky part, folks, nobody knows that date on the calendar, right? As you're journeying through the path of life. It's important, folks, step 3, very important to keep a good eye on your treasure chest for law changes and life changes with your health, finances, and relationships. And I call that a two-way street because oftentimes your elder law attorney is not going to be aware that you've had a change in your health, your finances, your relationships. So it's important to keep that two-way street with them, to inform them, or have your loved ones, your trustee children, communicate to your elder law attorney that there's been a significant change in life, where you need to come in at minimum for a review of your trust or treasure chest, or more frequently, more commonly, an update to your plan, an amendment to your plan. Because folks, you want your plan to work when the time comes, when the shoe drops, when you go up to your cloud. You still want to slay that metaphorical 4-headed beast to meet your goals, to achieve what I call the 3 Ps. I talk about in my book: protect what you worked hard for, preserve the value. Third P, pass it on as a meaningful legacy to the people you love the most. So folks, that's the 3 L's right there. Changes in law, changes in life, changes in learning. Keep a good eye on your treasure chest. At minimum, have annual reviews with your estate elder law attorney. Let them update you on law changes, and you, of course, update them on your life changes with your health, your finances, and relationships, or maybe even the health, finances, and relationships of your helpers if there's concerns of the folks that you have in your plan or your treasure chest. If you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a question or a comment, because a member of our team will get back to you. Be sure to subscribe, folks, to our channel, because we will keep you updated with other important elder law topics. Thanks for joining us here today at elderlawcare.com.